Join 4E Stories and subscribe our YouTube channel.
One sunny morning, Ms. Green, the science teacher, gathered her class in the school garden for a special lesson. She had a big, colorful chart and some potted plants with her. The kids were excited, wondering what they would learn today. Today, we're going to uncover the secret life of plants, Ms. Green announced with a smile. Let's start with the parts of a plant. She held up a sunflower and pointed to each part as she explained. First, we have the roots, she said, showing the long, thin roots at the bottom of the plant. Roots anchor the plant in the soil and absorb water and nutrients. Next, we have the stem, which supports the plant and carries water and nutrients from the roots to the leaves. And these are the leaves, she continued, pointing to the broad green leaves. Leaves are where the magic happens. The kids leaned in closer, curious about this magic. Leaves are where plants make their food through a process called photosynthesis, Ms. Green explained. Who has heard of photosynthesis before? A few hands went up. Great. Let's see how it works. Ms. Green pulled out a big chart with colorful diagrams. Photosynthesis needs three things: sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water. The leaves have tiny cells called chloroplasts that use sunlight to turn carbon dioxide from the air and water from the roots into food. This food is a type of sugar called glucose, which gives the plant energy to grow. The kids watched in amazement as Ms. Green showed them a simple experiment. She placed a leaf in a glass of water and covered it with a clear plastic bag. Now, let's leave this in the sun for a while. Soon, we'll see tiny droplets of water inside the bag. That's called transpiration, a part of photosynthesis, where the plant releases oxygen and water vapor. After some time, the kids saw the droplets forming inside the bag. Wow, they exclaimed. Ms. Green then took them to the vegetable patch. Here we have tomatoes, cucumbers, and carrots, she said. Do you know how these plants reproduce? The kids shook their heads. They grow flowers that get pollinated by bees. The flowers turn into fruits and vegetables, which contain seeds. When we plant these seeds, new plants grow. She handed out magnifying glasses and asked the kids to examine the flowers closely. They saw the pollen and understood how bees helped in the process. Now, let's talk about why plants are so important, Ms. Green said. Plants give us food, oxygen, and even help clean the air. They are essential for all life on Earth. The kids nodded, understanding the value of plants better than ever before. So remember, plants are not just green and still. They are alive and busy, making food, growing, and helping our planet. Ms. Green continued. Planting more trees and plants in our environment has many benefits. They provide shade and cool our surroundings, reduce the amount of carbon dioxide in the air, and provide homes for many animals and insects. By planting trees and taking care of plants, we are helping to protect our environment and ensure a healthier planet for future generations. She added, the moral of our lesson today is to appreciate and take care of plants. They play a crucial role in our lives and the well-being of our planet. So let's all become plant detectives and do our part in taking care of our green friends. As they headed back to the classroom, the kids chatted excitedly about everything they had learned. They felt inspired and ready to explore, protect, and plant more greenery, understanding the incredible benefits and importance of the secret life of plants.